Back in our PayPal.php, after instantiation of the PayPal class, let's start with the for each statement. And we're going to be looping through items associated with our newly created order. So items as item. Inside of this array, first of all, we need to populate the information about the product. So product variable, and we use object catalog and the method get product. We are going to pass item product, which is basically the ID of the product itself. Now object PayPal add product, and we are passing item product, which is ID of the product. Then we will have product name. Then we have item price. Then we have item quantity. If we put them all on a new line, all these parameters, it's gonna look a little bit better. Now we get in from the product array, we only take the name of the product basically, and the rest is taken from the items associated with the order, because obviously order has already been placed. Even if at the same time now, let's say someone has changed the price, we still have to process the order at this price, which has been displayed to the client when they were adding product to the baskets, obviously what's inside of the orders items table. Okay, so now after this for each loop, now that all these items have been added to the PayPal class, we can we need to also add any taxes. So object PayPal underscore tax card equals object basket underscore VAT, which is basically the total of the VAT for the whole order basically. Okay, everything's fine here. Okay, and now we need to populate the client details. So populate client details. So object user equals new user class. Now user variable, if we scroll up, we use our object user and get user method to get order client, to get all of his details basically. We also need to get the country of the user, basically the country where user lives. So get user country record. So we start with object country equals new country, and now we have country variable, object country, and the method get country, which we haven't got yet. We need to pass user country. But before we do this, just to make sure that obviously we found the user record, let's make sure that we check if is an empty user, then we process it. If we indent this code, and we're going to continue within this curly braces. Okay, so now let's move to the next video and let's create this get country method.